Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Top 5, your source for meticulously curated lists of the best products and resources. Today, we are going to look at the top 5 FPV drones of 2023. FPV stands for first-person view, which means you can see what the drone sees through a headset or a screen. FPV drones are great for racing, filming, or just having fun. But which one should you buy? Let's find out. The Rise Tello is the best budget FPV drone you can get for under $100. It is small, lightweight, and easy to fly. It has a 720p camera that can stream live video to your smartphone or tablet. You can also perform flips and tricks with the touch of a button. The Rise Tello is compatible with VR headsets and controllers for a more immersive experience. The battery life is about 13 minutes, which is not bad for a drone this size. If you are looking for an affordable and fun FPV drone, the Rise Tello is a great choice. The DRCD-20 mini drone is the best FPV drone for kids. It is designed to be safe, durable, and easy to use. It has a protective cage around the propellers to prevent injuries and damage. It also has an altitude hold function that keeps the drone stable in the air. The DRCD-20 has a 1080p camera that can take photos and videos and transmit them to your phone via Wi-Fi. You can also use the gesture control feature to make the drone follow your hand movements. The DRCD-20 comes with 2 batteries that give you a total of 20 minutes of flight time. It is a perfect gift for kids who want to learn how to fly FPV drones. The Beta FPV Cetus Pro is the best FPV drone for beginners. It is a ready-to-fly kit that includes everything you need to start flying FPV: a drone, a controller, a headset, and a battery charger. The Beta FPV Cetus Pro is a micro drone that weighs only 24 grams. It has a built-in camera that can switch between normal and night vision modes. It also has an optical flow sensor that helps it hover and avoid obstacles. The Beta FPV Cetus Pro has 3 flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. You can adjust the speed and sensitivity according to your skill level. The Beta FPV Cetus Pro is a great way to learn how to fly FPV without breaking the bank. The DJI Avatar is the best FPV drone for video. It is a hybrid drone that combines the features of a cinematic drone and a racing drone. It has a 4K camera that can record stunning videos with smooth stabilization and dynamic effects. You can also adjust the camera angle from 0 to -90 degrees to capture different perspectives. The DJI Avatar has a top speed of 93 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2 seconds. It also has an obstacle avoidance system that can detect and avoid objects in front of it. The DJI Avatar comes with a pair of goggles that let you see what the drone sees in high definition and low latency. You can also connect up to 8 goggles to share the view with your friends. The DJI Avatar is the ultimate FPV drone for filmmakers and thrill seekers. The DJI FPV Combo is the best FPV drone overall. It is a complete package that includes a drone, a controller, a pair of goggles, and a motion controller. The DJI FPV drone can fly up to 87 miles per hour and has a range of 6 miles. It has a 4K camera that can record stunning videos with smooth stabilization and dynamic effects. You can also adjust the camera angle from 0 to -90 degrees to capture different perspectives. The DJI FPV drone has 3 flight modes: normal, sport, and manual. The DJI FPV goggles let you see what the drone sees in high definition and low latency. The DJI FPV motion controller is an optional accessory that lets you control the drone with your hand movements. It is intuitive and fun to use. The DJI FPV Combo is the ultimate FPV drone for anyone who wants to experience the thrill of flying like never before. That's it for today's episode of the Top 5. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments which FPV drone you like the most and why. Thanks for watching and see you next time.